Now we have installed Docker Toolbox. We will run Docker in PC. First check what we have installed. We have Docker Quick Start Terminal, Kitmatic Alpha, Oracle VM VirtualBox, and Git for Windows. For the next step again go to Docker Toolbox site. Here it says to open Quick Start Terminal. Terminal. Here we get an error. That is, this computer doesn't have VTX-AMD enabled. Enabling it in BIOS is mandatory. We have separate video for how to enable virtualization VTX in BIOS for Windows 10. After VTX is enabled, again open Quick Start Terminal. This will install ISO file in VirtualBox. It will start virtual machine. The reason why we need VirtualBox is Docker terminal is Linux based. So it will run Linux based virtual machine in VirtualBox. If you see output in terminal like this, it means you have implemented steps correctly. Now run the command. Docker run hello world. Here you see the message, hello from Docker. This message shows your installation appears to be working correctly.